What if you could learn faster, work smarter, and make better decisions starting today? People who ignore AI are going to be falling behind versus those who use it. If you've got a small startup business, for example, you could catch up to and far surpass a larger organization that's been around a long time simply by leveraging AI. It's no longer the future. It is here and it's a reality. Getting ahead doesn't mean working longer hours and being more stressed, which it always seems to have been, at least in the past. Now it means making use of better tools. You have more leverage and able to make better decisions by making use of AI. You have to consider using AI as a multiplier and not a replacement. It's not here to replace jobs, but to enhance your job and make your life a lot easier. How about some practical ways that AI helps you get ahead? In your career and skills, you can learn much faster. You can practice job interviews, writing resumes, and upskill on demand. With business and money, you've got access to coming up with marketing ideas, improved customer communication, automation, and smarter decision making. In your personal life, you've got time management, organization ideas, creativity, and problem solving, which I have used a few times to help me really dive deep faster. The key takeaway is that AI doesn't replace your thinking, it accelerates it. The mistake most people make with AI is that they're expecting magic with vague questions. They get weak results and then they quit. You have to understand about prompting. And the better you learn how to prompt with AI, the better results you're going to get. So up until now, what I've been talking about is exactly why I have created this book about AI. What it helps with is understanding how AI really works without any jargon. It teaches you how to talk to AI properly, whether you're using it for business or getting ahead in your personal life, and what to expect in the future, and answers many big questions like, should we be afraid of AI and will it take away my jobs? This book has been written as more of a guide, not a textbook, and really helps you to understand the partnership between human and the machine. And this book itself has even given me more inspiration to create more with books, text training videos such as this video here right now. So remember, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might. This is not something to be scared of, but you should indulge in your curiosity and look into it a bit more. If you want to explore the partnership deeper, this book that I've written is available on Amazon in print and in Kindle. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.